Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can fix the num error inside of Excel, okay? Now this error actually is going to appear because you have a kind of a numerical error, okay? And this can happen due to a variety of reasons, okay? But most typically you're going to be doing something illegal or something that Excel cannot recognize, such as taking, for example, the square root, let's say, of a negative number. So if we take the square root of a cell that has a negative input, as you can see here, this is going to be a number, but it can also be the value of a cell. The num error is going to appear. Okay, so we would need to actually correct this error first of all. We would need to remove the um, this negative value from the cell. What we can also do is instead of typing minus 25 or minus, or the cell that we want to have, let's say that is the square root of a1, we can type in the absolute value of, for example, a1, which in my case is going to be just minus 25. Okay, and now this is going to return the correct number, the correct value. Okay, this is an example for the square root, but you can also have a similar issues when you try to sum over many different rows, over an absurd number of rows. So if I type, for example, equal sum f1 to f, I don't know, 10,000, this is going to give me an error again, okay, because there are too many rows that I'm summing over with, and Excel doesn't have that kind of power, okay? So yeah, this is basically how you can fix. It's not like a tutorial, like a fix. It's you have to look into what specific error you have, and you have to fix it. Okay, but it's just a numerical error usually. Okay, and sometimes you can make use of the absolute function to get rid of this error. All right. Something that is also going to help you is if I, for example, try to take the square root of minus 25. Okay, I can click here and I can click on, there's a problem with a number using this formula. So Excel is actually going to give me the kind of error that I have. I can click on help on this error. What I can also do is I can click on formulas and I can click on error checking. Okay, and I can get help from this here. I can also ignore the error in here. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much.